Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsync contacts from Gmail. So guys, at first let's go to your settings. Now swipe down and go to app management and then tap on app list. Now go to your Gmail and then tap on permissions. Now tap on contacts. Now select deny to unsync your contacts. Now just tap on deny anyway. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can unsync contacts from Gmail very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.